Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. I almost forgot the name of my channel. But yes, today I will be making my homemade version of Popeye's chocolate chip biscuits. I seen a couple of reviews on it and I was like, I ain't no ready, but pass me the baton. So I didn't take serious, but I'm gonna make this. So I got some flour. There's 3 cups of flour, self-rising flour. Make sure it's self-rising. However, if you have the all-purpose, you gotta add the salt and the baking agents in it. But yeah, I ain't got time for that. So I got the self-rising flour. I got my 2% milk. It really don't matter what milk you use, but don't use skim milk. I don't think. Salted butter. If you want to use unsalted, you can, but I like that salted butter, baby. Add a little bit of salt, my chocolate chips, and I also have my confectionery sugar. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Now, usually I grate my butter, but I was like, I don't got time for that today. Or any other day, really. So I'm gonna use my food processor, see how that works. I never did it before, but today's that day. So I added some of my flour. I can't fit it all in there, so that's why it's not all in there. And I'm gonna cut up some butter. It don't gotta be all, because the food processor is gonna do the job. And also, too, make sure it's frozen cold. Put the top on there and go ahead and blitz that up. Just want to make it to little pea sizes. Check it real quick. Look, it don't post pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna try to get the rest of this. I'm gonna pull this out, and then I'm gonna try to put the rest of this in there with some more butter and blitz it as well. And I'll get back to you, Lord, as well. All right, so I put more butter and flour and pour the other one out. Okay, I went ahead and post all of it. I had to take a little bit out and just to blend it. I'm adding my 1 cup of milk. Now this is only a half a cup. The measure cup I have, so I'm gonna use 2 of these to equal 1 cup. Make sure your milk is cold as well. And yes, it was easier than grating it. Go ahead and mix it. I remember when I was first learning how to make biscuits, and it was like too dry for my life because I'm so used to cakes and stuff happen to be moist and have a lot of liquid and stuff. I'm like, yeah, something not right here. But I had to realize that's how it's supposed to be. It ain't supposed to be all slipping and sliding everywhere. I like another half cup. I'm gonna put a little flour on the board. I'm gonna use and some flour on my hands as well. And just go ahead and plop this on there. Now, I don't know if y'all got that because they want to be rude and cut me off. It's like I said, you just want to knead it. And I'm not talking about the one on your body. Not the knead, the other knead. Y'all need some more flour. I'll let y'all know when the chocolate chips come in play. I think I wait for it. Can I just get this knead working real quick? I don't know why they be talking about 3 cups of flour amount, because you actually, the amount of flour you put on your hands and a board, and you gotta keep, that's more than 3. Stop trying to lie to us. Okay, I have the chocolate chips. I'm just gonna sit there and put that on before I fold it over. I add some more on top before I flip it again. Alright, I got my cup. I have the flour around the rim. I'll twist it. Let's put it down. Kind of big. Just like I like it. Ooh, yes. Yes, you see it? And I'll put that in my butter pan. I'll let y'all see in a minute. I'm gonna do the rest for the other ones. But right now, let me put this on pause for a go off again. Yes, y'all see it? Now this don't have chocolate chip because it's the first one I made. I was like, maybe I should put some on top. But it's some in the middle. Now I didn't show y'all the beginning, but I have mayo on my brush on it. And I know some of y'all like, what? Mayo? I did a couple of my desserts, and I got this from, I don't know, I'll let y'all know on the other thing who I got it from. Could have been more meat channel. But yeah, I'm gonna brush a little bit of mayo, and you're not gonna be able to taste it when it come out. And then I'm gonna baste it with some butter when it come out. Okay, I already have my oven preheated to 425, and I'll let you know how long it bake. Okay, while it's baking, I'm gonna make the glaze real quick. All you need is powdered sugar. Milk. I don't have a measurement. Just put you some in there, but don't put as much milk in there. Just put like little dabs in there because it will get runny really quick. Just a tad bit of the milk first. Just mix it in there. Something about that salt too. So I'm just gonna put like a pinch in there. Even though the butter's already got that salt in it, but I want a little bit more. Okay, I switched it to another plate because the other one I had it in, but it was uneven, so it was kind of hard to stir a little bit. And I had to add in some more confectioner's sugar because I wanted to make it thick. How it was like a little too runny, or too thin, should I say. So I just added more confectioner's sugar. This is pretty much good. I'll get back to you when the biscuits are done. As well. Okay, y'all, this is how it look after 17 minutes on 425. Yes, y'all, looks so brown and good. But yeah, now I'm gonna take my butter. I melted, and I'm gonna just slap it on top. Don't hate on me now, Popeye's. Doing your recipe better than you, indeed. Well, at least I think I did. I ain't tasted it. Yes, y'all. I'm about to get to it. Like I said, I didn't try theirs, but I'm gonna try mine. And tell me why it looks so good. And tell me why it smells so good. And really, we got a chocolate chip. Let me see if this combo is gonna be hitting. Yeah, that biscuit moist. I'm gonna get to it. It got that sweet and salty. The chocolate chips, it go good with that salted. Mainly I see like salted caramel. Now the biscuit is moist. I love biscuits. A lot of people talk about Popeye's biscuits so dry. I got 3 words, 4 syllables. Hand it over. For real, cause I love biscuits. I like the biscuits. Yes, I said that. But this is actually good though. Now, I never tried their strawberry one, but when I made my homemade strawberry one, if you can see that. What are you waiting for? That's still like my best, and I like the blueberry. And I think I even did, was it France orange? This is my least favorite flavor, but it's still good. I give it a 9.5, y'all. Please try this. Big, moist, good, delicioso.